It's Mechanical Monday. Time to press the gas, go fast, and make it last.
What's going on, YouTube? Today's video is modifications that will and will not void your warranty. Alright, so don't be dumb. Like myself, I have a 3-year warranty on this car. I think I got like one of the best packages for the warranty because I knew all of the stereotypes with Subaru. Head gaskets blowing up, ringland failure, things like that. Even regular maintenance. So things that will and will not void your warranty. Broken down, anything that changes your AFRs. What is AFRs? Air to fuel ratio. So that means a cold air intake. That means if you're running bigger fuel pump, bigger injectors, bigger fuel rails, bigger turbo, anything engine-wise that's going to enhance the performance and take out the stock option and replace it is not covered under warranty. You buy a warranty because it protects the things that come with the car. I'm pretty sure Subaru has a pretty good wear and tear warranty because their steering wheels fall apart. Mine's peeling. It's not horrific, but I mean it should not be peeling. But since we're talking about steering wheels, you can replace them. You can replace them with aftermarket parts. You cannot disable any safety feature that comes with it. You can't take out the airbag and get a quick release. You cannot, I think that's the only safety feature that you can really disable with this. But I'm going to get a carbon fiber one eventually because this one is, I love the feel of it. Okay, don't get me wrong. It feels good in the hands, but the peeling is not only cosmetically ugly, you could feel it in your hand, the texture underneath the leather wrap. Shift knob. You could change out your shift knob. I went aftermarket and got a Subiflow carbon fiber shift knob, and I love it because it feels better in the hand. My stock one was falling apart, the leather was breaking, the top was rocking back and forth, and these are things you touch 100% of the time while driving. You're always touching that shift lever, and you're always touching your steering wheel, so you want to make sure that it's quality. Same thing with seats. I believe that you can modify the seats and get aftermarket ones, which I'd love to because they have a really good selection for aftermarket seats, things like that. Okay, you're going there. If you guys want to run LED lights for either underglow or for underneath the, what is that, dashboard? The dash. You can, but if you're running it spliced into wires that goes to your battery terminal, that's going to void the warranty. Anything electrical has to be plug and play, which means for lighting options, you can do LEDs and things like that, but you have to, like for the strips, you have to have it to where it plugs into the cigarette lighter for the car, the 8-volt or 9-volt or whatever the hell it is, has to be able to plug into that. With that being said, headlights, taillights, same thing, plug and play only, which honestly is almost better because I don't know anything when it comes to electrical things. I'm not gonna lie to you. Splicing wires and yeah, that doesn't seem like fun. Quick tip, if you're ever gonna touch electrical, disconnect the battery first. All I'm gonna say. I've heard horror stories of people blowing up their airbags because the battery wasn't disconnected. So things that you can do that won't void your warranty: wheels and tires. Get a good set of sticky tires for the summer and good winter tires for the winter. If you want a nice set of aftermarket wheels, you could do so. Suspension, you can do suspension. It won't void the warranty. What I will say is, do not do anything without having money to replace it. So if I were to get suspension, I'm not going to install it until I have money to unless I keep the OEM ones, which a lot of people sell their OEM parts, unless I keep the OEM suspension or I have enough money to replace the suspension if it breaks, because I don't have a warranty on it anymore. So you have to be knowledgeable of that. Like I said, warranty covers the parts that came with the car, not the parts you install. Stickers obviously aren't going to avoid anything. Tint isn't going to avoid anything. Head units is something that could void the warranty depending on what you do. If you have a plug-and-play direct, port, not going to void the warranty. But if you have to splice wires, it'll void. Exhaust will not void the warranty as long as you go cat back. And it's also the first mod that I suggest you do because it adds something. You know when to shift. It's instant gratification, instant feedback. Shift stops will void the warranty because you're messing with the transmission. Even though it's to benefit, even if you go bushings and things like that, it's not considered maintenance. It's considered breaking a warranty. Tuning your voids the warranty. Again, things that won't void the warranty, anything cosmetic. If you want a big wing, if you want carbon fiber parts, if you want to lower your car, whatever, will not void the warranty. School bus, fun. 10 points for hitting a kid. Don't say that, that's bad. Well, I already said it. Anyways, so guys, just be careful when you modify. Plan out your modifications. I have what I want done to this car already completed in my head. I know exactly what parts and where to get them from. Obviously, now with COVID and things like that, finding the parts is a little bit harder. You're on a waiting list. Things cost more. You can buy secondhand. I'm choosing not to. You can also get things that are repurposed. Like I know this guy on one of the Facebook groups that I'm a part of bought a Saban carbon fiber hood, and it was completely, the clear coat was gone, and he restored it. You can do things like that. If you don't know what you're doing, ask. Go on forums, go on Facebook, do whatever. Get somebody that's familiar with it, who's done it. Watch YouTube videos like this. Somebody that's explained it and things like that. Also, we're going to talk about the fact that car parts are expensive and hard to get, so my content isn't going to be car parts. What it's going to be is daily driving, what to do, maintenance-wise, what you should know, how to prepare, things like that. It's going to be a lot of talking, a lot of, this vlog style, because I'm working with what I got. Or like I like to say, I'm twerking with what I got. But this was a quick little video. I just wanted to say, what does and does not void the warranty. I also want to say thank you to anyone that's still watching at this point. My viewership has fallen off. So I gotta, repurpose and rethink on how to get more content that people are willing to watch. I think maybe some raging in traffic might be coming out soon, because boy, does that fill up some time, me yelling at people. Also, it's good to have it captured in case somebody rear ends me. But that's just gonna wrap up today's video, guys. I appreciate you for tuning in. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and follow my Twitch in the link in the description, so that way we could communicate one-on-one. And until the next one, we'll see you there.